reason why the opposition has been losing the plot since 2024 is because the BJP has turned out to be the party which is taking faster course corrective steps. The opposition has tried to create narratives. वोट चोरी is a legitimate मुद्दा. मैं बिल्कुल उसके जो भी चीज लोकतंत्र के खिलाफ है उसके आपको उसका समर्थन आपको नहीं करना चाहिए, आपको बोलना चाहिए, बिल्कुल करिए आप. लेकिन when you are in a state assembly election, on the eve of polling, Rahul Gandhi did a press conference where he started talking about Haryana. Now, if on the eve of elections, Rahul Gandhi had specifically spoken about something which was more directly related to Bihar, would it not have impacted elections? That is something I think which the opposition needs to understand. SIR as a campaign may work in Bombay, it may work in Bangalore, it may work in UP, it may work in Delhi. But SIR as a campaign in a state like Bihar, where your state GDP is amongst the poorest, where 95% people do not have access to a personal private vehicle, where cycles being distributed to women is still considered to be the big vote catching moment. आप इस तरीके की एक helicopter view oriented बात आप नहीं रख सकते. Somewhere the campaign did go wrong for the opposition, and I think chief reason for that was Rahul Gandhi. The cohesion which you need to see between two coalition partners. There was lack of cohesion between the JDU and the BJP too, but both of them were in the campaign all through. राहुल गांधी जी कैंपेन से ही बाहर हो गए. अब आप कैंपेन से ही बाहर हो जाएंगे तो आपको क्या होगा, मतलब क्या निकल के क्या आएगा, ये अपने आप में सोचने की बात है. So another election most likely to go towards the NDA at this stage is only and only because the opposition is led by the Congress party is not in a position to learn its harshest lessons. Till that does not happen, things may not change, and that's why today it's Nitish Kumar, tomorrow it will be someone else, the party which will keep ruining its fate, and any alliance partner which ties up with them will be the Congress party.